Welcome to Learn Sword and Typing with Vikas sir. Progressive magazine exercise number 22 at 40 words at the rate 100 word per minute. स्टूडेंट्स ने बोला है कि कुछ वर्डों की प्रोनाउंसिएशन मतलब ठीक तरह से नहीं प्रोनाउंसिएशन हो रही है। हम इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखेंगे और आप भी ध्यान रखिए कि उसको समझने की कोशिश कीजिए। जो आपके जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है वो कैसा भी आ सकता है, आप प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे थोड़ा सा अच्छे से ध्यान करें, ठीक है। चलिए हम डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। यू रीअसेंबल at a time of difficulty and trial. The people face many hardships as a result of high prices, scarcity of essential commodities, and interruptions in production and supply caused by strikes, burns, and unrest, which in some parts of the country have taken a violent turn. The international oil crisis has cast an uneasy shadow on the economy. These unforeseen events have undoubtedly slowed down the pace of our social and economic development. In this situation, the people's mood is one of understandable anxiety. I have deep sympathy with the people, particularly the poor sections who have had to suffer. Seldom has a country faced such gigantic problems in quick succession year after year as we have them in the 3 years. It has been a continuous testing of the nation's mettle. The nation has survived these difficulties, has not allowed them to come in the way of its basic endeavors towards development. This is no mean achievement and should not be ignored, even though positive aspects are apt to be overlooked at difficult times. There have been a number of welcome developments. One of these is the manner in which the people of Andhra Pradesh have solved the problem of intra-regional tensions which only a year ago appeared insoluble. I congratulate all sections of the people of that state on the wisdom and spirit of accommodation which they displayed. The 6-point formula which has been evolved should lead to fuller integration and to the accelerated development of the backward areas of the state. The two hopeful trends are in the economic sphere: the rise in export earnings and the improvement in the performance of public undertakings. Until about 2 years ago, the low rate of growth of our exports was a cause for considerable anxiety. However, since 2006-7 there has been a marked improvement. In that year, our exports increased by 22%. In the first 8 months of 2008-9, despite a variety of constraints, exports have increased by 20%. We are confident that with a greater national effort, exports can be pushed up substantially. Only about 2 years ago, the continuing losses of our public enterprises were a cause for concern. It is therefore a matter of satisfaction that consequent to a number of measures taken by government public undertakings have increased their production. Next para. The rise in prices and the scarcity of food articles, particularly in deficit states, of prime concern to the people and the government. The expectation that the good kharif harvest of 2007 would help to stabilize prices has not materialized. Partly this is due to the internal inflationary situations. the provision of work and relief on a hitherto unprecedented scale to the people of drought affected areas without losing investment on plan programs and the requirements of defense has necessitated increased deficit financing. The situation also reflects the effect of the international economic crisis on our country. The steps towards agreement between nations in different parts of the globe had raised hopes of a favorable climate for the speedy progress of developing nations. However, the international economic situation has created new and complex problems. The international monetary crisis, followed by the steep rise in the prices of many commodities, has affected poorer countries like India more than others. The prices of almost all commodities that we have to import have gone up by 2 to 4 times in the past few months, while the prices of our own exports have risen, if at all, only marginally. Next para. The serious situation created by these developments has been aggravated by hoarding and speculation by unscrupulous traders and by interruption in production and movement caused by lapses on the part of management and by some misguided sections of organized classes. Stocks are also being hoarded by producers and affluent consumers. All these sections of our people must realize that they cannot survive unless the nation as a whole survives. Resort to violence and bond has only worsens the situation. The poor suffer the most. Government will deal firmly with hoarding and with attempts to interrupt production, movement and distribution. Supplies to deficit areas and vulnerable sections of society can be maintained through the public distribution system only if there is adequate procurement of grains. Appreciating the need to compensate the farmer for the rise in the cost of production, government increased procurement prices substantially for the current kharif cereals. While the procurement of rice is satisfactory in many states, it is unfortunate that the procurement of coarse grains did not gather momentum. The kharif procurement season has still several months to go. The situation has been studied in detail and government has indicated the steps to be taken by state governments. This year's exercise in procurement and distribution will be fully considered in taking corrective action for the coming Rabi season. I wish to impress upon the state governments with all the earnestness at my command the importance of achieving procurement targets. Full stop. स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें आप बताना कि कोई आपको वर्ड नहीं समझ में आता, नहीं आया, प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं आया, तो आप उसको कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करें कि प्रोनाउंसिएशन आपको कौन से वर्ड की समझ में नहीं आई है। हम और भी इम्प्रूवमेंट करने की कोशिश करेंगे। आप लोग बताइए कि कमी कहाँ है, हम इम्प्रूवमेंट करने की कोशिश करेंगे। बस आप लोगों का साथ से आप लोगों को बताना है कहाँ क्या है, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम आपके लिए डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करते रहेंगे। इसको आप टाइप करें, टाइप करने के बाद आप इसको मैच करें। अब नेक्स्ट सेशन होगा आपका द हिंदू एडिटोरियल के डिक्टेशन का, जो आपको काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगा आपके हर वीडियो में। मैं यही बोलता हूँ आपको, वो आपको डिक्टेशन लिखनी है। अगर आपको चैनल डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगती है, डिक्टेशन पसंद आते हैं, डिक्टेशन को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, और जो स्टूडेंट्स न्यू हैं हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, क्योंकि आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपको डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड हो सके। हमारा यही आपके लिए कोशिश रहेगी कि आपके स्किल टेस्ट में थोड़ी सी भी आपको हमारी तरफ से हेल्प मिल जाए तो आपको हम अपने लिए काफ़ी खुशकिस्मत समझेंगे आप। ओके, आपकी थोड़ी सी 10% भी या 5% भी आपके सिलेक्शन में हमारी हेल्प हो जाती है तो काफ़ी अच्छा रहेगा हमारे लिए भी और आपके लिए भी। इसको टाइप करें, टाइप करने के बाद मैच करें। धन्यवाद।